Hello everyone, today I'm going to guide you how to analyze CVs using an AI tool. Let's get into the PC. Now you can see Generative here. So if you need to know how to use Generative, just go to google.com, then search as Generative. Then you will be able to go to this Generative Generative AI workspace. Okay, now you just have to click on the login, then you will be able to go to this place here. Now click on new workspace button, then you will be able to get a new workspace and you have to upload the CVs you got. Okay, just think you got 3 CVs or maybe 1 CV or 2 CVs or whatever the thing. You can upload up to 10 CVs. Just drag them to this workspace, then all the CVs will be uploaded instantly and no need to waste your time. And now you can just arrange as needed. No need to arrange. By the way, click on this one. Okay, you can see this option here. So already selected a universal option, but you have to select on document GPT. Now you have to click on this and just you can select all, but if you need only one, okay, if you need the overview of one person, then you can click on maybe Emily Johnson, maybe John Smith, or whoever it is. You can click on one resume. Okay, I'm going to go with one resume for now. I'm going to ask about the overview. Okay, I just selected John Smith resume, and if I open the John Smith resume, actually you can see the resume here. Okay, and he's with Master of Science in Data Science, and actually this is just for dummy purpose. Okay, you can see that. You can see some skills here: Python, R and SQL, data manipulation, and data scientist, ABC analytics. So he got some experiences also. And now let's see what Jeda AI says. Guys, data science internship and skills overview. Here's the Jeda AI's output: experience, skills, and education and projects. You can summarize. Okay, you can get a summary of the resume. Okay, I think you got it. And now I'm going to select all CVs here and just click on overview. Okay, now you can see Jedi is working on that. Okay, now you see, oh nice, you can click on here. Actually you can click here, you can click the pen, you can see this one, you can click on the pen, and then you can move the workboard, actually workspace, as needed. Okay, and also by using control and mouse scrolling, actually you can zoom in and zoom out. Now you can see the languages, education, skills they got. Okay, this is the summary, this is the overview of all the CVs, but you can ask any questions. Okay, you can ask any questions as needed. No need to worry about that. Just think, who is the best candidate for the web developer position? Just think, you need to hire someone for web developer position, but you haven't read anything yet, but you are going to use Jeda AI to upload the CVs, and you just let the Jeda AI to choose one. Now if I enter or click on this button, then you will be able to see AI is currently generating content. Please keep in mind on its potential limitations. I already said that. Yeah, okay. By the way, just wait and see.
Actually, Jedi is so fast, you know that?
Wow, really? Best candidate for web developer position. Okay guys, HR team, this is for you. And candidate 1, candidate 2, candidate 3, candidate 4, candidate 5, blah 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 blah. And if you are not satisfied with the answer, you can click on this. You can click on this button again. You can enter again, and then the process will be started again and again. So the values and the results will be different for sure. Okay, just try it. This is your chance. Okay, this is about document GPT. So you can read a book, you can analyze the book, and you can do a lot of things as needed. So it's on you to play with Jeda AI. I'm just a person who just tried to educate you about this tool, and this is amazing. And like Excel and Access, I do some experiments with Jeda AI. That's all. This is so amazing. Actually, I just got so many advantages by using this. Especially, I just use the Shift plan and just use this and just see the amazing experience. Okay, just see the amazing outputs. Guys, this is the end, and I'm going to go like the video, comment the video, share the video, and give me your full support. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.